Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is very easy to work into anyone's schedule, and it seems to pay decent for what it is asking you to do. So the Microfiber Wholesale Group is hiring a social media TikTok creator. Now this is work from home in the United States, and this is part-time. So what they're trying to do is basically get someone to create a minimum of at least 5 TikToks per week. So that's one a day if you're working 5 days a week, and they're willing to pay up to $250 a week. So that is $50 per TikTok, but they are really wanting you to make videos regarding their product. They are trying to promote their product and make basically commercials and ads for their product. So they are a microfiber cleaning product based out of California. And their goal is to grow a new TikTok channel this year. Now, they are putting you in a paid evaluation period to assess your ability to create fun and engaging content with their products, as well as grow and manage the channel. So they are basically looking for someone just to work on their TikTok channel. So you'll have to have a smartphone for filming, be passionate about content creation, be able to edit your videos and manage the TikTok account, and of course be comfortable on camera. They do need you to be at least 18 years or older. Now, what the job entails is you'll devise a content strategy, you'll create the content using their products, and then you'll post content daily, a minimum of 5 posts a week using the appropriate hashtags. You are just trying to grow them an ad account and ad following. They are offering $250 a week for this. So it seems like a very profitable side gig to work into a full-time job. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.